This is the old one GaN charger. There was two Type-C and one USB. The size you can see. It's construction. It is compact size, but not too not so that small. And then we can see this is the ThinkPad, Think Plus, Lenovo, single Type-C. You can see the size is more, but a little bit longer. And then we see the newest 65 Type-C, double Type-C, and one USB. And then we can see the size. It's almost half of the Lenovo's GaN. And then we can see there was this is single port and then double Type-C and then same Type-C, but it's really small. This is our newest GaN first charger. And we can also compare the Apple charger. The size almost same, but the wire is a little bit longer because there was 1, 2, 3 port. Okay.